Hello, my name is Richard John, and I'm a GE6116 Science, Technology, and Society student from AMA Online Education. This is the documentary to our planet, our business, and this is my reflection. So, our planet, our business is a call to action for all humans to help restore and prevent environmental devastation. We all know that many different types of weather have formed during the course of the Earth's existence, and that this has been continuing on and being stable every month or year at the same date and time, which is an excellent news for humans who still trying to adapt to climate change. However, people must continue to engage in activities that have the potential to not harm or degrade our natural resources. Companies are still continuing to develop solutions to achieve the greatest leap in the human technology and advancements. But this solution may harm the environment, resulting in the extinction of a variety of species on land, sea, and also in the air. Instead of playing the blame game in situations like this, uh, I believe we should contribute and think twice, if not maybe three times, before moving forward with technology that may end up harming humans and preventing them from using it. So as for additional pollution of the air and water caused by companies, automobiles, and human activities, as well as the use of insecticides and pesticides, causes harm to humans and animals, as well as global warming. So, for example, cars or vehicles are partly to blame for our country's deteriorating air quality and rising dust levels. Cars or vehicles contribute half of air pollution, which always harms the environment, including manufacturers and other companies that utilized more energy to produce oil that was used in our automobiles. Second is the insecticide and pesticide used in the household. We all know that the man-made chemicals on which we rely are designed to maintain and control plants in order to eliminate pests and other hazardous insects that could jeopardize our food supply. Because of the hazardous substances contained within these items, these chemicals are extremely dangerous to our bodies. Most chemical corporations are still looking for new ways to manufacture chemicals that can work on a greater or larger scale to be more efficient despite the larger negative impacts on people and animals. And also our aquatic ecosystems are also harmed by fuel and pesticide or insecticide manufacturers working together. Many types of fish are being harmed every day as a result of the dangerous chemicals and pollutants produced, which can also impact to our water supply demand if not properly disposed of. And for all this negative effects produced by factories and other advanced technologies, we can also use some of the advancements that we are currently have now. Uh, Also, with the clean and green technology, which reduces technology's detrimental influence on the environment and resource usage. One is the solar panels, which we also use at home. Also, other companies are using it on the buildings that they have. So solar panels are not only cost effective, but they are also environmentally good because solar energy provides the earth with heat, or the sun provides heat to earth every hour for a whole year. It is a renewable resource that can be replenished quickly. So solar energy can be installed anywhere, such as I mentioned, on roof deck, on our buildings, our home, vacant lot or vacant ground, or even at the garden, empty garden. So solar energy is an emission-free, clean form of energy that does not contribute to global climate change by not emitting carbon dioxide into the atmosphere, and it can also help conserve and protect the environment. Next is from dirty to clean energy. So smart devices can also play a role in giving us this clean energy to our environment. So smart appliances save energy by converting to electric powered devices, which eliminates the usage of fuel or gas in the home, or at the comfort of our home. We must reduce global warming pollution by replacing fossil fuels with clean energy, but we must also consume less energy in the first place, of course. For example, smartphones, energy saving light bulbs, washing machines, and also other sensory gadgets that we can command. This smart equipment can work for a longer time. And also, as I mentioned a while ago, electronic automobiles as a counterpart of what we have right now is so many of us have had first-hand experience with electronic buses, jeepneys, and tricycles as models of transportation. I think this is since this was developed since 2016 or to 2018. By avoiding carbon dioxide emissions, this can help to reduce pollution to the environment, given that manufacturing electronic vehicles emits more carbon dioxide than fuel-powered vehicles. We can access how efficient and long-lasting they are in terms of not polluting the environment. So, the following are some best practices you use to conserve and protect our environment. So, reduce, reuse, and recycle your waste. So, recycle any plastics or paper you purchase at the grocery shop or supermarkets. Instead, also go shopping using reusable bags or materials. Yeah, conserve water and energy, so we should conserve it. Make sure to turn off your valve or gauge or any electronic gadgets while not in use, especially when leaving the house. Also, number one, planting trees can help to make the environment greener and cleaner. We've been taught to do this right thing since preschool. You can learn it on elementary, high school, and it needs to be passed down to the next generation. And also with the use of bike, like a bicycle, a two-wheel transportation that uses energy using your legs or your feet. Instead of riding a motorcycle, a fuel powered or a jeepney, since it's more practical and also it's more healthier for the body. And also I encourage people to become an earth warrior in order to save the planet. Um, Also by choosing or reading factual data or concise or confirmed data from the videos that can that can that is simple to understand. We need to educate kids on how to produce and conserve the environment so that everyone's in the globe benefits throughout the year or to the next generation. Encourage your family. I encourage my family and also my friends to live a healthy lifestyle that benefits society and the environment. Together, we can practice, as I mentioned a while ago, reduce, reuse, and recycle to lower and also less carbon footprint and by conserving water and energy. Thank you, and that's my reflection.